are many things we can do with that empty toast. So we just need to be creative in making it. Always listen to cheese can't melt, but toast also has melting cheese in the mouth as well. As we all know, toast is usually eaten as breakfast or afternoon tea and is often served with hot drinks like coffee or tea. So I will make sure your breakfast or afternoon tea all this time is not just empty toast. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you all about how to make melted cheese stirred toast. Well, this will involve three things. The first one is the ingredients needed. Second, the step for baking the bread and fry the toast. And lastly, arrange the toast in the bread according to their respective layer. So are you ready? Let's go. So now let's begin with my first point. Prepare your ingredients for this trick. But before we begin, make sure your hands are clean. To begin with, the ingredients we need are bread, oil, chili sauce, seasoning to taste, mayonnaise, 1 egg, margarine, and then cheese, and lastly 1 stick sausage. Okay, step 1, to bake the bread and fry the core. Firstly, spread the margarine on top of both the top and bottom layer piece of gardenia bread. Then heat the pot and leave for 1 minute. When the pot is hot, place the bread on top of the pot. When baking bread, do not forget to invert the layer of unbaked bread. While waiting for the bread to be baked, prepare a plate and place a piece of tissue on the plate. When the bread has been baked, lift the slice of bread and place them on a plate that has been lined with a piece of tissue. After that, break an egg into a bowl. Then add a pinch of seasoning to taste and stir the eggs until well combined. Then heat the pot. After that, add a little oil. Then fry the eggs and crumble, but do not overly crumble. Let there be a few visible lumps for texture. Once cooked, put on a plate.
Next, slice the sausage lengthwise. After that, add a little oil and then fry the sausage. Once cooked, place the sausage in the same plate as the egg just now. Finally, arrange the ingredients that have been baked and fried to facilitate the preparation of the core layer of bread for a while.
I have shown you how to bake bread and fry the cores. So next, let's talk about how to arrange the cores in the bread according to their respective layers. So let's go.
Step 2, to arrange the cores in the bread according to their respective layers. Firstly, take both slices of bread. Pour the chili sauce first. And then mayonnaise according to the amount of taste and spread evenly over the entire layer of bread. Then take long slices of sausage and arrange them neatly according to your taste as well. Next, take a piece of cheese and then sprinkle the beaten egg and place another piece of cheese and then take long slice of sausage. Finally, take another slice of bread.
So don't forget to try making toast and enjoy its deliciousness, okay? And then remember, when you want to bake bread on a pot, always pay attention so that it does not burn to be eaten, okay? So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and then I hope you like watching my videos, and don't forget to share my videos. And then I hope you can enjoy this menu with your family or your friends, because this menu is very easy to prepare. Okay, bye.